Hello and welcome back. Now that we understand how Co-work works, the next step is getting it set up correctly. In this video, we will walk through the installation process, the basic requirements, the permissions you need, and a quick first task to make sure everything is working properly. Before you begin, there are a few things you need in place. You need Claude Desktop on either Mac OS or Windows, an eligible paid Claude plan, and an active internet connection. It is also important to note that Claude Co-work does not work on the free plan. So, if you want to access Co-work, your account needs to be on a supported paid plan such as Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. And finally, Co-work works inside the desktop app, not as a web-only experience. So, before anything else, make sure these basics are covered. The installation flow itself is straightforward. On Mac OS, download Claude Desktop, run the installer, and launch the app. On Windows, download or update Claude for Windows. Make sure you are on the latest version and then launch it. The key point here is simple. Always use the latest desktop version for the smoothest co-work experience. So let's get into it. In this step, we'll walk through how to get Claude set up on your system. The process is slightly different depending on whether you are using Mac OS or Windows, but overall, it's pretty straightforward. This is the official download page, and you can see the link here. You'll see various options for Mac OS, Windows, and Windows ARM. Simply choose the version that matches your system and click on the download button. I'll go with the Mac OS. Once the package is downloaded, I'll select the version for my operating system. The installer file will start downloading. Over here, you can see the installer file. Once downloaded, open the file. Follow the installation prompts. It's a standard setup. After installation, launch Claude from Application folder on Mac and the Start menu on Windows. Then sign in with your account to begin. I have already downloaded and installed the app on my system. So instead of repeating those steps, I'll go ahead and open the app. Let me show you how the interface looks when you first launch it. This will give you a quick idea of what you will be working with. This is the Claude Desktop app. You can see the three modes here, the chat, co-work, and the code. The desktop app gives you quick access anytime and can connect to local files and tools, making it more powerful than just using it in a browser. In the upcoming videos, we will be performing many hands-on videos on this interface itself. So let's get back into it. In terms of requirements, the official setup guidance focuses on supported desktop platforms, internet access, the latest app version, and an eligible subscription. Instead of relying on a long public spec sheet, Anthropic provides a readiness check for macOS and for different Windows architectures. So the safest approach is to run that readiness check before setup and confirm that your system is ready. Once the app is installed, the next step is to sign in with your Claude account, which you can do by clicking on the settings option. Make sure that account is linked to an eligible paid plan. After that, switch from chat to co-work and enter task mode. That is the point where the experience moves from normal conversation into multi-step task execution. Permissions are a very important part of setup. Co-work may need file access to work with local folders and documents. And in some cases, it may also need app-level access depending on the task. You may also want notifications enabled so you can stay updated on the progress. The guiding principle is simple. Grant only the access that is actually needed for the workflow. Here, we will be performing a very simple first task that is the best way to verify that everything is working properly. For example, you can ask Co-work to list the top 50 files in your downloads folder. If that works correctly, it tells you that the app is running, your account is active, and the required file access is in place. So this is a quick and practical first test. So let's get into it. From here, I will select the folder that I want to give access to. Choose a folder and then I'll select the downloads. Here you can see that the Co-work has prompted me to allow the access to that particular folder. So I'll choose the allow button. Then I'll give the prompt, list the top 5 files in this folder. You can also choose different kind of configuration settings. I'll go with the models on 4.6 and let's see. Here you can see the folder that I have given access to. Let's see the progress level. It is thinking like listing the files that are there. So you can see the results. So yes, it is working properly. Now let's get back to it. During that first time, you should expect Co-work to show progress as it works. You may be able to review its approach, and in some cases, it may pause for approval before taking a more sensitive action, like the approval of the folder. So, Co-work is not working blindly in the background. It is designed to stay visible, reviewable, and permission-aware as the task runs. So to recap, the setup flow is simple. Install the latest Claude Desktop app, run the Readiness Check, sign in with an eligible account, open the Co-work tab, grant the required permissions, and verify everything with the first task. One final point to remember is that the desktop app needs to stay open and your computer needs to stay awake while Co-work is actively working. Once that is in place, you are ready to start using Co-work properly. So, that was the installation and setup walkthrough for Co-work. The key takeaway is that getting started is simple, but the right setup matters. From correct desktop version to the right permissions and a quick verification task. Once everything is configured properly, you are ready to start handing real work to Co-work. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.